All right, boys and girls, it's time for math, and this will look very familiar. It looks like the pre-assessment we did the other day, but you are going to show me what you have learned over the past couple of weeks. So you're going to read the shape word and drag it under the shape. So we have sphere, cylinder, cube, cone, rectangular, prism. So you're going to drag the name, okay, under whichever shape. So I didn't even read it. So if that's a sphere or if that's a sphere, whichever one. Okay. On this page, you're going to use the lines to show thirds. So we've been talking about that just recently, right? So you're going to use the lines to show thirds the best you can, okay? And show two different ways. So what I'm going to do actually, because I just noticed this doesn't, I'll make some that go vertically so you don't have to worry about that. So in case you want to move them, but another way you can do that before I make some different size ones is you can, do this. Grab one end and drag it around. So once you get it to a shape, maybe you want it to go, grab one end where it's a plus sign, drag it. So maybe you want to cut it like that, right? Maybe you want to cut it like this. So you can do the best you can, take those lines and show two different ways to do thirds, okay? This one you're going to do fourths. Think about what thirds and fourths are. And then you're going to drag these shapes to where it belongs. So 3 or less angles. So does it have 3 or less angles? You're going to drag it here, right? As 4 or more angles, you'll drag it there. Okay, don't forget to, when I see your pictures, I should see lines here and here. Cut these either in thirds or fourths. And then these pictures should no longer be there because you dragged them into one of these two boxes. Okay. The next section says Max wants to cover the rectangle with colored tiles. Estimate the number of square tiles he would need. So you have one here, so you're going to kind of take a guess or estimate. You need 1, and maybe move it around like this. 2, 3, 4. How many do you think you're going to need to fill that? Okay, and then type the number there. And then you're going to look at this shape. Sorry. Does it choose yes or no? So it's a cube. It has 4 faces. So remember, the faces are the flat sides that only have 4, 1, 2, the one in the front, one in the back, one on each side. Yes or no? 8 vertices. Those are all the corners. Does it have 8 vertices? 14 edges. And then each face of a cube is a square. Yes or no? So drag these check marks either yes or no for each sentence. Okay? And then you'll submit that. Let me know if you have any questions.